Around the middle of February 2024, OpenAI came out with its newest creation, one that could change the world of AI forever. What we're talking about is none other than Sora, which is a groundbreaking text-to-video generative AI model that could transform several sectors of the world, including politics. But what exactly is Sora, and how does it function? Functionality. Well, imagine this. You input a text prompt, and voila! Sora comes up with a video that perfectly matches your description. Delving deeper into the mechanics of Sora, it operates much like its text-to-image counterparts, such as DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney, employing a diffusion model. This means it kickstarts each video frame with static noise, then employs machine learning magic to gradually morph the images into a rendition that mirrors the prompt's description. And here's the kicker. Sora videos can stretch up to a full minute in length, adding a whole new dimension to storytelling. But Sora doesn't just stop at generating static visuals. It tackles the tricky challenge of maintaining consistency across multiple frames. By considering several video frames simultaneously, Sora ensures that objects remain seamlessly coherent as they move in and out of view, adding a touch of cinematic finish to its creations. The reason Sora is one of its kind is because it marries the strengths of a diffusion model with a transformer architecture, drawing inspiration from the renowned GPT. This duo combines the best of both worlds, with the transformer model dictating the video's overarching layout and the diffusion model adding intricate details. See it like this. The transformer calls the shots, while the diffusion model fills in the blanks, resulting in a harmonious symphony of creativity. But here's the real kicker. Sora doesn't just settle for mediocrity. No, it aims for the highest possible quality by enhancing video fidelity through recaptioning. Like a skilled wordsmith, Sora employs a recaptioning technique, courtesy of GPT, to enrich the user's prompt with layers of detail before weaving its magic. It's like automatic prompt engineering, ensuring that every video crafted by Sora is a masterpiece in its own right. But as thrilling as it may sound, there are some hitches worth noting. The drawbacks. For starters, Sora lacks an innate grasp of physics, so it might not always play by the rules of the real world. Take, for instance, a video of a basketball hoop exploding, but then magically restoring itself. This won't ever happen in real life, right? Likewise, the spatial arrangement of objects can sometimes go haywire. Imagine watching a clip of wolf pups frolicking, only to see them pop in and out of existence, or overlap like some sort of a glitch. This brings you to the main question. How reliable is Sora, truly? While the samples showed by OpenAI are top-notch, there's a question mark over whether they handpicked the cream of the crop and are avoiding showing the entire picture. You see, when it comes to text-to-image tools, it's common practice to churn out a batch of images and cherry-pick the best ones. But if it takes sifting through hundreds or even thousands of videos to get your hands on a gem, that could put a damper on Sora's widespread adoption. But is this going to stop politicians from putting Sora to good use? We highly doubt it, so let's delve into the vast array of possibilities that Sora brings to the table when it comes to politicians. Political uses for Sora. With Sora, you can conjure up videos from thin air, whether it's crafting them from scratch, elongating existing ones, or even patching up missing frames. Just like how text-to-image AI tools change the art of creating visuals without any fancy editing skills, Sora steps up to the plate to make video creation a breeze, even for those without a background in video editing. This means that politicians won't have to go out and hire actors, videographers, and producers to shoot videos for their campaigns. Once they input what they're looking for, Sora will provide them with the exact video that they're looking for. This way, politicians can get their ideas across to the public in ways they otherwise might not be able to. Plus, these campaign videos that Sora would create could be done in any format you prefer, making it easier for politicians to share their message on a wider scale. You can come up with short, snappy clips tailor-made for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. With Sora at your fingertips, even scenes that are tricky or downright impossible to capture on camera, like a glimpse into Lagos circa 2056, become a cinch to bring to life. And then comes the greatest selling point for politicians around the world. There's no reason to deal with hefty price tags and lengthy production cycles because Sora swoops in to slash costs and streamline the process. So whether you're creating adverts, promotional videos, product demos, or political campaigns, you're good to go. But not all political uses are as simple as that. Deepfake. Sora's knack for coming up with surreal scenes also opens the box of misinformation and disinformation. Through the lens of deepfake technology, real people and situations can be distorted into elaborate fabrications, blurring the lines between fact and fiction. As Eski Montoya Martinez van Egerschot, Chief AI Governance and Ethics Officer at DigiDiplomacy, observed, AI's presence in the political arena reshapes campaign strategies, voter engagement, and the very essence of electoral integrity. Crafty manipulations of AI-generated videos, whether disseminated accidentally as misinformation or deliberately as disinformation, wield immense power to sway opinions, tarnish reputations, and sow seeds of discord. Whenever pivotal elections are about to happen, the ramifications of such deceitful machinations could have a massive impact on the electoral output, threatening the very foundation of democracy itself. But Sora has the kind of potential that goes even beyond these uses. Other uses. Another area in which Sora can excel is prototyping. Before committing to a final product, filmmakers and designers can use the power of AI to swiftly bring their ideas to life, as filmmakers can come up with mock-ups of scenes, allowing them to fine-tune their vision before ever stepping onto a set. Similarly, designers can craft dynamic videos showcasing their products, providing a sneak peek before diving into production. Take, for instance, a toy company thinking about the creation of a new pirate ship toy. With AI, they can conjure up a photorealistic close-up video depicting two pirate ships locked in battle, sailing gracefully inside a cup of coffee, all without lifting a finger to build the actual prototypes. Now let's talk about synthetic data generation, an area where AI truly shines. When real data is off-limits due to privacy concerns or feasibility issues, synthetic data steps in. This can include financial data or personally identifiable information, kept under lock and key, but replicated with striking similarity through synthetic data. And that's not all. Synthetic video data plays a crucial role in training computer vision systems, an endeavor championed by none other than the US Air Force. Back in 2022, they turned to synthetic data to bolster the performance of their computer vision systems for unmanned aerial vehicles, honing in on their ability to detect buildings and vehicles in challenging nighttime and adverse weather conditions. But surely, such a powerful creation can't come without its risks, right? The risks. While the product is still fresh on the scene, its dangers are similar to those posed by text-to-image models, which have been on similar perilous paths before. One grave concern is the unfettered creation of harmful content. With Sora's boundless capabilities, there looms the possibility of videos teeming with violence, gore, sexually explicit material, derogatory depictions, hate imagery, and even the glorification of illegal activities. The definition of inappropriate content is as fluid as the context in which it's generated, and an innocent educational video could morph into a grisly display at the touch of a button, depending on who wields the power of Sora. It's no secret that Sora is the epitome of innovation, promising boundless potential in the world of AI. But what does this mean for the future? Sora's implications. In the short term, there will be a wave of transformative change. With its anticipated phased release, Sora's abilities will lead to an influx of captivating short-form videos flooding social media platforms like X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and beyond, elevating content quality to new heights. Moreover, data storytelling will also leap forward, as text-to-video generative AI paints vivid landscapes of information, offering immersive ways to explore and present data. Both of these are vital for politicians to be able to present themselves in a good light, all while keeping up with the times. They can make stats look fun and interesting, and let Sora come up with videos that will captivate the attention of the audience on social media. However, Sora's ability to craft fantastical scenes opens the floodgates to misinformation and disinformation, casting shadows of doubt over the truth in an era rife with political upheaval. The path ahead is full of challenges, from safeguarding against misinformation to navigating the ethical and regulatory labyrinth of AI. As this new phase of AI innovation begins, one thing remains certain. The age of Sora brings a new dawn of possibility, where the lines between fantasy and reality blur, even within politics. Let us know in the comments if you think that Sora could be effectively used by politicians, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.